Welcome back to the tutorial lab. In today's video, I'll show you 3 super easy ways to share your Facebook Marketplace listing with anyone via Messenger, copying the link, and sharing to your news feed. These tips will help you get more eyes on your listing, so let's dive in. To share your Facebook Marketplace listing, go to Facebook Marketplace, tap on the profile icon and open your Facebook Marketplace listing. Underneath the listing, you'll see the share button. Click on it. Here you will find 3 options. Select Send to Messenger. Choose the person you want to send it to and hit send. It's that simple. This is a great way to directly message your listing to friends, family, or potential buyers. Next, let's copy the link to your listing. But this time select Copy Link. Now you can paste this link anywhere, whether it's in a message, an email, or even on another social media platform. This makes it super convenient to share your listing outside of Facebook. Lastly, share your listing directly to your Facebook news feed. Select Share to News Feed. You can add a caption, tag friends, or add emojis to make your post stand out. Once you're done, hit Post, and your listing will appear on your profile for all your friends to see. And there you have it, 3 simple ways to share your marketplace listing. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the tutorial lab for more helpful tips, and let me know in the comments which sharing method you prefer. Thanks for watching.